भूल गया, जो भी मैं पढ़ के गया, पेपर तो मुझे समझ नहीं आया क्या था, मैंने जो पढ़ा वो पेपर में नहीं आया. So parent who is facing this issue with your children, then definitely this video is for you. अब भूल जाता है कि उसने पेपर में क्या लिखना था और क्या वो पढ़ के गया, then there is a very serious issue related to his brain memory because he might be facing brain fog. Brain fog क्या चीज है? Definitely it is due to the unhealthy lifestyle the child is adopting during the study session or the sessions where he needs to actually focus but he is not able to focus. A rapid spike in his sugar level and then all of a sudden it comes down. There might be a rapid spike in the blood pressure level and it all of a sudden comes down. The child may be triggered and you don't know it because the child is enjoying eating junks. Yes, right, what I said. That the junk food or the unhealthy fat which the child wants to might be a daily schedule and you don't know that the child is demanding for French fries, the child is demanding for the spicy, the Chinese food which is locally available. It might be momos, it might be, Manchurian, it might be sweet potatoes, I don't know what the chili potatoes or something. I'm not blaming any kind of dish particularly. It is just that they contain triggering substances. The taste makers used in that, it triggers your brain, it creates a brain fog, it creates confusion, it creates a memory loss, it creates a condition where the child's neuroplasticity occurs, where the neurotransmitters are disturbed, the dopamine and the serotonin are disturbed. So the child remains in tension, the child remains confused, the child remains it is a condition where it has number of cloudy memories along with his brain. So the child needs clear vision and that clear vision is blurred if he eats such kind of things which contain the dangerous tastemakers in a very high quantity, which actually triggers neuroplasticity in these children. So I have also mentioned this in my earlier video where how the brain gets blocked if you are eating junk food. So it's now time, it's exam time. You might be giving your board exams, you might be giving your yearly exams, you might be giving your annuals, you might be giving your semesters, you might be involved in any kind of exam, and this is the right time where you should avoid the food which might contain extra preservatives, extra tastemakers, because they are making you restless. After a time you really need to rest yourself, but they are making you restless. So if you want to take care of your brain that it should not create any fog around itself, then definitely you need to opt a healthy schedule of eating. So eat healthy, and parents, it's your duty to prepare healthy food for your children so that they don't feel hungry and just want to eat whatever comes in their way. So you should plan the food prior so that the child gets what it actually needs.